So I just got an email on my phone that says the next Battlbox is about to be shipped. It's probably time to take a look at the last one. That's what we're going to do coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me. This video is sponsored by Hog Holsters, the concealed carry holster I wear every single day. And I'm proud to call John Abbott of Hog Holsters not only one of my sponsors, but one of my very best friends. John still makes every holster individually by hand with the kind of craftsmanship that is rarely found in this day and time. And the viewers of this channel can save 10% on any purchase at Hog Holsters over $30 by using the coupon code Survival on Purpose, all one word. So I encourage you to check out Hog Holsters. I don't think you'll be disappointed. That's Hog Holsters, helping Americans wear guns. Wow, I am behind schedule. I've been really busy, and I've had the Battlbox Mission 56 on my to-do list for too long now. So I just got an email that says the next one's coming. I figured, man, I need to get on the stick here and show you Mission 56. So that's what we're going to do. Without any more rambling, let me just take you down to the old stump top, and we'll show you what's in Mission 56. And any rambling will be done while we're looking at the stuff. First of all, like always, there's a situation card that shows you what is in the box and the values assigned to it. And on the back, it gives you some, you can pause and read this if you want to. Just gives you kind of a little bit of background on the thought process that went into coming up with this month's box. If you're not familiar with Battlbox, by the way, there are 4 basic levels. Each level you get everything in the previous level plus some more stuff. And this month we're going to talk about, this is the Mission 56. Let's just see what's in the box. There's some really cool stuff in here, by the way. So first of all, in the basic level, there is a Hellfire Bushcraft Grill. And that basically comes in this nice waxed canvas case, and it is just a little grills for cooking over a fire, which I think is pretty cool. It could be a very handy thing to have. I can't tell you how many times I've wished I had something like this in the woods, and this is a really it fits together in this nice little pack here. Pretty cool. So there's that. And they're giving that a $20 value, $19.99. Pretty neat there. The next item kind of goes along with this is a camp cooking book. Pretty cool. It's got a lot of color pictures and recipes in it, and a lot of details about how to build fires and everything else, how to butcher game, how to fillet fish, and just fix all kinds of stuff, even frog legs and turtle meat. So there's the camp cook. They're giving us a $12.95 value, which is probably what it costs on Amazon. The next item, if you're cooking, you want to make sure you got clean hands, is Napalm, Grenade Soap Company Napalm soap on a rope. And they're giving that an $8.99 value, 100% made in the USA. Pretty cool there. And then finally, there's a 511 tactical hat, which they're giving a $18.99 value. So it's just a 511 trucker hat, and pretty cool there. Which brings the total stated value for the basic kit this month to $60.92. And I think you pay about $30 for that, so about double the value, which is pretty cool. So let's talk about what's the next level is the Advanced Box. The Advanced Box, I think, is $59.99, $60 or so. At the Advanced, you get everything in the previous level plus some more stuff. This month, it's got a really, really cool deal here in the Advanced Box. Got to say, I like this a lot. This is a little travel chair, travel stool chair, if you've probably seen these before. But let's see if I can figure out how to open it. Open this thing up like this. It's got a little ring on it, it's all attached so it won't come apart. You don't have to worry about losing it. And it just spreads out into a little tripod chair, like so. Pretty cool there. We'll sit it right there right now. That's pretty cool. And I like that. I like that a lot, as a matter of fact. It's the travel chair. It's the original since 1984. So this has been around a while. Maybe put it right back here where you can see it. Maybe you can see that better. I don't know. So there's that. And then the next item is Forge, which is a thermoplastic tape to repair. And it is world's strongest and most adaptable repair material. And you heat, shape, and fix, it says. And I'm not sure what this is. It's just like this little, I guess it's like shrink wrap in a tape form, so you can wrap this around something and heat it. I don't know, pretty neat. We'll have to check that out maybe in a different video, but there's that. And they're giving the travel chair, by the way, $23.95 value. And the Forge has a $19.99 value, which brings the total stated value for the advanced kit to $104.86. Pretty cool there. The next level is the Pro level for $99.99, I'll say $100 a month. And I like the Pro level this month. I think you're going to like it. This is really stinking cool. It is the Warthog Sharpeners V-Sharp Classic 2. And if you may remember, we took a look at the at a different version of this, the plastic version on another video, and I like it, but this is really the one that I really like. I saw this at Blade Show this year I guess, and did a quick interview with the guy, and this is just a really nice knife sharpener. The system is from South Africa, and it just man, it stinking works. It works great, and this right here makes the box for me. It really does. And just the value of this is $84.99, which is really cool. So that brings this total stated value for the Pro kit this month to $189.95 for around $100. That's a good value in my opinion. This is a really good knife sharpener. I'm telling you, it really is. So I like that a lot. And then finally, the last level of the subscription level is the Pro Plus or Knife of the Month Club, and every month in that, if you subscribe to that, it's about $150 a month. You get everything in all the previous levels, plus you get some sort of knife or tool every month. This month, the Knife of the Month is a Williamson Tactical Despot knife in black titanium powder coated finish. It's a fixed blade, full tang knife. It's got this nice little plastic tip on the end of it to keep you from hurting yourself. And I'm trying to get it off without hurting myself. And it also has a really cool sheath here. This kind of tactical sheath. This fits in like so. Snaps in. And then it's got these snaps that go around it, hold it on. You can put it on your belt, you can lash it on, you can take this off with Velcro and lash it to a pack or whatever. Just a push off sheath. Feels really good, has G10 handles. It is AUS-8 steel, which is a reasonably easily sharpened, reasonably hard steel. I think it's out of AUS-8. Typically designed, it was created in Japan. Nice big lanyard loop back here. Feels really good in my hand anyway. Some reasonably aggressive jimping here. And they're giving this one a $124.95 value, which brings the total stated value for the Pro Plus this month to $318.80 for around $150. So that's double what you would pay. Okay, well that was a quick look at Battlebox Mission 56. And sorry for the delay there in getting that out to you. I'll try to do better next month. So what I've been trying to do in these boxes is just kind of pick out a couple of items that I think are maybe my favorites out of there. And some months it's easier than others. And this month, hands down, without a doubt, is the Warthog V-Sharp sharpener. I think that is probably one of the best sharpening devices I've ever seen. I really like it. And I think it's a very good addition to the box. Second, also, I got to be honest with you, I like that stool. That's a really cool stool, because as a guitar player, those typical folding chairs like you buy at outdoor stores or whatever with the arms on them, they don't work to play guitar. So a stool is really good because you got somewhere to put your guitar. So I like that a lot. So those would be my two picks for this month. And look, I understand these subscription boxes are not for everybody, and the reason I make these videos is just so that if you can look back, I've got a library of 2 or 3 years now of videos about Battlebox. You can kind of get an idea of what to expect from the boxes, and look and see how they progressed over the years, and see if it's something maybe you're interested in exploring further. If it is something you think you might want to explore further, you can save 10% by using the coupon code in the video description below. So once again, thanks to the folks at Battlebox for sending me these boxes every month so I can show them to you. And as always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a brand new video every Friday and Saturday, sometimes random videos throughout the week. If you haven't subscribed, you can fix that by clicking right down there. Be sure and click that little notification bell thingy that pops up. Maybe YouTube will let you know when I put out a new video. If you want to be sure you don't miss a single one, you can go to survivalonpurpose.com/subscribe and sign up for my weekly email newsletter, where every week I'll send you an email with all the previous week's videos and any information, deals, or offers I think you might be interested in. You can probably also just click the little square box with a knife in here, and that'll take you to it too. So anyway, I really appreciate the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. See you next time.